Hi guys, welcome to Technotainment. This is Karthik. In this channel, I'm going to share you about the technologies and features that we get in our gadgets, but most of us are not aware of its uses and purposes. Let's discuss something about the mobile phones, guys. Do you think all our smartphones are really a waterproof? It's just a myth, guys. Yeah, instead we can say water resistance instead of waterproof. Yeah, we cannot stop water from flowing into anything. But have you wondered how the manufacturers made it possible in the mobile phones? It's very simple, guys, just by blocking all the holes. Yeah, with the help of some adhesives and seals. Okay, let's discuss about water resistance, guys. The amount of water that a mobile phone can resist is defined by the term called IP. It's nothing but ingress protection, sometimes called as international protections. That's what we hear when we buy our new smartphones, IP67, IP68. What does it really mean? What is IP67? What is IP68? As I told, IP stands for ingress protection, guys. 6, the first digit, tells us the resistance against the solid particles. And the second digit obviously tells us the resistance against liquid particles. That's what we are talking about today, guys. In 67, it means the smartphone which is having IP67 rating it's an dust tight mobile phone, and the 7 tells us that mobile phone can withstand some amount of water in some pressure. I hope you guys got an idea about what IP rating is really telling us. Let's discuss in detail, guys. What are those numbers telling us? It's nothing much. 1 means less protection, and higher the number, more the protection. That's it, guys. Let's take an example. As I told, IP67. 6 means dust tight. And what is 7 means? How long that mobile phone can resist the water? It's nothing much, guys. IPX7 means the mobile phone can withstand water up to 1 meter of depth for 30 minutes. Yes, guys, for 30 minutes. If any device that exceeds these ranges is IP68. IP rating, actually it is desired by an international organization called IEC, International Electrotechnical Commission, guys. Yeah, and one more thing, we are discussing about only the benefits of being a water resistant mobile phone. Do we have any problem of being a water resistance? Yes, guys. When we make it difficult for water to get inside, it is difficult for us to get inside also. Yes, guys, I'm talking about the repairing. And one more thing, nobody is assuring that after repairing, our mobile is still a water resistant. One question that all of us having in our mind is that how long our mobile phone is going to be a water resistant? Because no manufacturer is telling us how long it's going to be a water resistance. Because over the time, our adhesives and rubber seals going to degrade, and even dropping your mobile phones or harsh handling your mobile phones can cause incision in the rubber seals, through which the water can slip inside. Personally, I don't trust when it comes to the water resistant thing, guys. Yeah, maybe your phone a water resistant, but please don't take it to your shower. Hope you all know about your mobile phone a little more. Let's discuss more about our technologies that we are using in our day-to-day life in our upcoming videos. If you guys want to know in more detail about this ingress protection, please let me know in the comments. Let's discuss in our upcoming videos. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe. Please put your valuable suggestions in the comments. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.